A great crested grebe swallows its own feathers. Someone wrote that down in 1577. A feather has no food value. For a very long time, the people who study birds could not explain it. Nearly 450 years passed before there was an explanation. They are not pulled out. They fall out on their own, and the bird picks them up while cleaning its feathers. In one study, 8,718 feathers were taken from grebe stomachs. 4 of them came from another bird. 4. The rest were the grebe's own. A grebe hunts underwater. It swallows fish whole, bones included. Most birds swallow small stones to break their food down. A grebe does not. The stomach works by acid. And the acid takes the soft parts, but not the bone. Jaws, scales, the bones of the head and the back. They stay. Inside that stomach sits a ball of feathers with the bits of fish in it. They run from the size of a thumb to the size of a fist. And at the way out, where the stomach opens into the gut, there is always a second, smaller group of feathers, 2 to 6 of them, sitting there. Their gut and their waist were examined. There was no bone in them. No hard part passes through into the gut. Researchers think those feathers block the way and hold the food back until it is fully broken down. The bones stay. They can sit in that stomach for months. Then, every other day, the grebe brings the whole thing up. Feathers, jaws, scales, and 2 small stones from inside a smelt, a fish the acid takes almost completely. The stomach is empty. And soon after the young hatch, the parents feed them feathers too. Their own. Somewhere under the water, a grebe comes up, cleans its feathers, and takes a loose feather from its own breast. It goes down, and the ball begins again. Its name is the great crested grebe.